In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload a PowerPoint presentation you have created earlier or import Google Slides that you have created and saved on your drive. Here I will start with a blank presentation. If you have created a PowerPoint presentation on your computer, you don't have to recreate it on Google Slides. All you need to do is upload the presentation and it becomes a presentation on Google Slides. For that, you need to go to File, Import Slides. I'm going to go to Upload. Here it says select a file from your device. I'm just going to click that. I'm going to choose a presentation that I want to upload. Here it's going to give me a choice to upload all of the slides of the presentation, some or none. So I'm just going to select all, and here I'm going to keep original theme and import slides. As you can see, all my slides have appeared over here in the Google Slides. Now if I wish to make changes to the slide, for example changing the theme of it or making any changes to the lesson, I will easily be able to do that. Now I'll show you how to import slides from Google Slides that I have already uploaded before. So in the same very presentation, I need some slides that have been a part of my previous presentation. Once again, I'll go to File, Import Slides. I'm going to go over to the presentations over here. It will show me all the presentations that I have saved. So I'm going to go to one of my saved presentations, that is pencil. Once again, it's going to ask me which slide I need. I need only one slide from this presentation. So I'm just going to select that and I'm going to import. And here you can see my slide is ready. I hope you found this tutorial useful.